It's 11, bro.
Hold on, bro. Hold on. It's 11 o'clock. I gotta turn it down. What'd you say?
Bro, it's only 11, bro. I'm down though. Okay. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you.
Bro, what's with the spoon though?
You never seen?
I don't know, but thanks for the beer though.
I'm not an alcoholic.
Using a spoon?
Hey, bitch.
Hey, what's up, Wolfie? Come here. Psych.
Yeah, 3 bottle caps. Watch, I'm gonna fucking do the time.
Hey, Joseph, so what's going on here?
I'm fucking painting my kid again.
Why?
Because apparently I don't know how to paint stuff right, so I gotta redo it. But I'm gonna do it right this time.
Hey. Alright, what is going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. So, we out here. Got Jesse. Got Must Be Nice fam. And yeah, he has his whole lip kit. Hopefully this is the last time
Hopefully.
he's painting it.
We're fucking praying.
Yeah.
I'm tired of this shit.
So Jesse and Joseph have been standing in for like what, the past 2 hours?
Like hour and a half. Yeah, 2 hours. Just make it look
Oh
like
yeah,
Santa
yeah.
Claus.
Just fuck me, right? You just wanna, you know, be
Bro,
right. You said hour and a half, 2
like-
hours.
Like hour 45, 50.
Oh, okay, yeah. You know what? Fuck off. All right.
Restart that part then. Just redo it.
But yeah. Hey Joseph. How confident would you say your painting skills are by now?
Bro, they're good. I just don't like sanding and doing shit right. And then I'm over here.
See,
having to
kids,
redo it.
you wear masks when you do this.
Hey, they're gonna say there's some cheap ass masks though.
They
Hey,
are.
you know what? Fuck you guys then.
Hey, but they work better than nothing.
Yeah. You won't get as high.
Yeah. We
Well-
won't get.
For now.
So guys, I'm not really sure what else is gonna go on today, but we are going to Ontario again. Why? What are you getting from Ontario?
So I'm gonna be getting finally the last part to my car, hopefully.
Hopefully.
So a lot of you guys were commenting it was the timing. It's not the timing at all. The timing's fine. I went over it like 3 or 4 times. It is the ECU. I believe it is fried. So I got the new ECU, but I need his key and his the cylinder for the key.
Oh, okay.
So he's gonna hook me up with everything today. And hopefully tomorrow my car starts.
You work tomorrow?
No.
You don't work tomorrow.
Oh wait, yeah I do. Never mind. I'm gonna do it after work though.
Oh, okay,
I'm gonna do it
for
right
sure.
after work.
So Joseph's taking his.
just dropped stupid. With Bobby Shmurda.
Oh yeah, let's hear it, bro.
Let's hear it, bro.
You gotta put that shit on the speaker though.
Niggas knocking ain't a fiend and I'm straight. These niggas telling stories, but they don't be who we think.
Bro, that was quick. It's already fucking done.
Oh, it look good. Oh, this paint.
It's paint.
Yeah, this paint.
It's that real shit right here. It dries right. Like, no, I know, but come back a little.
Getting top, never born, getting money every day. Why you niggas sleeping snoring? She just wanna give me face in my face. I just wanna pour a hate in my face.
Fucking song, dude.
Shut the fuck up. Oh, that red Broke Boys banner.
Yeah.
Alright, so what's going on here?
I convinced Joseph to do paint matched color visors.
What? Joseph, how you feel about this?
Kind of scared, bro, because I really like the black.
Wolfie,
but
get
at the same
inside.
time-
Wolfie!
Hey!
Wolfie, hey, hey.
You think it'll re-stick, Jesse?
Yeah.
You said it. I don't know how you said it like that, bro.
You say, yeah, of course.
Yeah, it should stick.
Yeah.
I think.
I think.
Maybe.
The hell's he barking at?
You guys gotta help me fucking.
He's just upset.
You guys just gotta help me put it back in, though. gotta slide it in. And then you can, oh yeah, there you go. Slide it in. This. Oh fuck, bro.
Hey, Joseph, relax.
Tape's still on here, right? You're taking off?
Well, I'm
Jesse.
taking it off. You gotta take it off.
Why you gotta take it off?
Because it won't re-stick.
Yeah, well, it's sticky.
If you want to keep your side on, this side's...
We could leave the tape and then just put on the corners, dog.
If you want, I don't mind.
What do you mean you don't mind? It's my car! Oh yeah. Anybody ever hit up myself?
This is the real broke boys. Joseph paints, Andy drinks.
Andy.
Alright guys, remember how I got that glue on my door? Big shout out to my boy Jesse putting in that work.
Hey, if you guys call yourself a detailer and don't know what the fuck this is, don't call yourself a detailer.
Hey, I don't know what that is, bro.
Good thing you're not detailing.
Yeah.
It's a clay bar.
That's
Clay
what I
bar
figured.
can literally make your car fucking shine.
Guys, we're about to see this work. Guys, so we're squatted up in the driveway right now. Ooh, those banners though. But Joseph,
I'm squatted up right now.
but yeah, look, Joseph put on his lip, put on the side skirts, and he paint matched the window visors. And damn, they do look pretty damn good. So now both him and Jesse got paint matched visors.
Mine look like shit because they're dirty.
They don't look good. But yeah, guys, comment down below if you like the color match visors or if you like the black ones. There's a better look with the lip, side skirts, paint match visors. Hell yeah.
It's all exposed and stuff. That's your jack, right?
Yes, I'm gonna clean up now.
Okay.
I'm gonna use the trash can
This
outside.
here. This here.
Oh, my bad. I'll show.
Whoa.
That shit looks so good, bro.
Bro, you can't even tell that shit was there now.
I know. Oh yeah, guys, look at the work Jesse put in. Remember that massive jizz stain? It's gone. No more jizz stain. Hell yeah, bro. I love you. I love you.
Thanks, bro. I love you too.
So we have a little downtime right now. We do plan on going to the mall, which is like down the street in a little bit, but right now we're gonna wash our cars because it did rain. So,
Hey, remember when I first met you guys and we all
you know, the aftermath of the rain is pretty nasty. And guys, my patches came in hella clutch. They stayed and no water got in, so
It looks good, people.
Stop hating. It's not forever. It's
yeah,
temporary.
I'm getting a hard top soon, guys. Don't worry. I'm getting a hard top. But they worked, and also they killed my wind noise. I had hella wind noise before. They literally probably killed my wind noise by like 80%, like no lie. So I'm really happy about that because I used to have to bump my music like really loud just so I wouldn't hear all the wind. But now, guys, I can cruise pretty comfortably without hearing wind noise, so that's awesome. Right now we're gonna wash the whips and then go to the mall. And you already know, guys, we got a stunt at the mall, so you can't. Okay, the black looks pretty clean on camera, but if you look closely, it's a lot of dirt, so can't stunt with dirty vehicles, right? Can't get no Jainas, can't get no sucias.
Can't get no rucas.
Can't
get
find my
nothing, bro.
can't find my ruca, bro, with a dirty car.
I mean, I can't drive nowhere, so y'all gotta have a good car. I mean, my shit's still down. Hopefully tomorrow though, it won't be.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see after we pick up your parts from Ontario.
See, look, I'll show you guys. You guys exactly why I cannot drive the car right now.
Why?
This part right here, completely fried.
So you get a new one.
This is the new one. The old one is completely fried. And the only way I could get the car to turn on is if I have his key, the guy who gave me this.
Okay.
Can I have one?
Mm-hmm. You can have one.
Well, I have what? Oh, it's out.
Microfiber.
But yeah, so I'm gonna get his key, and then the ignition switch tonight, and then yeah, hopefully we'll be back in business.
Hopefully, bro. Hopefully.
Bro, and this thing's on the road. Oh, I'm gonna fucking. I can't wait to fuck up Temecula with this shit.
Alright, about to go to the mall. Well, we are at the mall, but we're about to go into the actual mall. But here we are in the parking structure, stunting. But I don't even know. Should I take my camera? I low-key just want to leave it. I don't feel like carrying it.
Put it in the car then.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave the camera, guys. But yeah, we're gonna go pick up on some rucas. Hopefully some milfs. But we'll see, guys. I think Marcel's gonna meet up with us later. We kind of need Marcel later to go to Ontario, but I don't know, guys. I don't know what's going on, but I'll pick up the camera when we come back. If my trunk opens. Alright, guys. That's why I'm gonna leave you for the next hour, alright?